Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the Oraimo cordless vacuum cleaner. It charges in around 3 hours and has a usage time of around 20 minutes. It's lightweight. It costs £30 on Amazon at the moment, but I believe there is a voucher available where you can get 25% off, so check the links in the description if you want to take advantage of that offer. This was sent to me by someone called Quella, who emailed me asking if I'd like to try it out on video. I said yeah, and it arrived yesterday from Amazon. So we're just going to take it out of the box and have a look. So in the box we have the vacuum cleaner itself. We have some instructions and info. We have a charger, as you can see, USB. We have a crevice tool, which this brush will sit on the end of. And that would be inserted in the front of your vacuum. Just going to take that out for now. I'll turn it on. Got a decent amount of suction. As you can see, that's where it charges. As you can see, that's where it charges in the back end there. Now, it's light, but it doesn't feel cheap, if that makes sense. I describe things this way a lot in my videos actually, and it's hard to explain what I mean. You just know when you hold something in your hand, you can tell whether it feels cheap or not, and it doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a good quality product actually. It's very solid, very well made. So yeah, what we're going to do, as usual with my videos, is test it out. Let's see how it works. These here are from my daughter's crystal art set. I don't know if you know what that is. Just sprinkle them out on here. And we're going to see if it'll suck these up. I know well. So as you can see, it made light work of them. Now, there was someone in a review, I noticed, said that this thing wouldn't pick up dog hairs, which I thought was ludicrous. Since, you know, dog hairs are quite lightweight. So, I got myself some from our pug. Can you see that? Now, as you quite clearly saw, from about 2 centimetres away, it pulled that dog hair in, no problem. I'm not sure I've got anything else I can try it on. Just give me a moment, I'll try and find something else to test it out on. So we've got a bit of rice. Let's see what it does with that. Rice is obviously heavier than the little crystals, and it's heavier than dog fur. Handled that, no problem. Biscuit. We don't want too bigger pieces because it is only a small vacuum. Obviously it won't suck up bigger things. And it vacuumed up the biscuit. Oh, something I should mention is once this is full and you want to clean it or empty it, just push this button here, pushes that clip down, and it just comes off. Simple as that. Pull the filter out, tip all that out, put the filter back in, just pops back on like that, and bob's your teapot. I have two very small children who like to drop the biscuits and crisps all over the bottom of the footwell of the car, which is hugely stressful. So yeah, I'm going to use that, or this I should say, for that job from now on, because it clearly does suck up well. I don't understand some of the reviews about it not sucking up dog hair, because it clearly does. So yeah, £50, I'd say is well worth it. I'm going to stick this in the boot of my car and I'm going to use it for light cleaning. Obviously, for heavy duty cleaning, this isn't made for heavy duty cleaning. That's where your bigger Hoover vacuums come in, and your more costly vacuum cleaners. But for the price, this is perfect for small tasks, such as cleaning the car. So I think that's it. There's links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.